Today, we're going to build an espresso machine using 8 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 rounded plate piece. And now, whatever end you decide to be the back of your machine, you're going to go to that back stud and get a 1x1 round plate and put it on the back stud. And then on top of that 1x1 round plate we just put on, we're going to get a 1x1 round brick. So we want this to be like a brick and a plate, or 4 plates high. Now, once we got the height to our machine, we're going to get another 1x2 rounded plate piece and just put it on the same direction that we put the bottom plate on, so it looks like this. And now what we got to do is kind of smooth out the top. And to smooth out the top, we're going to get a kind of a half extended circle tile piece, and we're going to put it so that the straight end goes into the center and the rounded end is going onto the rounded edge of our plate to smooth it out. Now, if you want, you can actually use 2 different colors here to like represent where the grounds go. I'm using all white. In fact, I would actually, when you're doing this, not use white pieces. Now, I use white because that's what I had, and that's what we do with Legos. We kind of use the pieces and colors that we have. But the reason I go with like a different color, like a light bluish gray or even a black, if you have these pieces in that color, is because we're going to be using one of these teacups to pour our espresso in. And the 2 white colors together don't contrast that much. And so for your coffee shop mocks or kitchen mocks, you might want to use the different colors just to have better contrast. But use what colors you need for your larger mock. But we've got our espresso machine here almost completed. Now we just need the handle to pour our espresso in. And then so we get a 1x1 round plate with 1 L bar, and then we're going to put that so that the plate goes underneath that top 1x2 round plate like this. Now we've got the little handle to our Nespresso machine, and you can turn it on and have a nice fresh cup of espresso. So once we've got that done, I keep wanting to say Nespresso because we have an espresso here, but it's espresso. Okay, so now we've got our completed machine. And now I've got my little teacup or espresso cup, and I'm going to put that espresso cup on that bottom stud here. Now, you might actually want to do this when you're just building the stud. It's a lot easier to get in than trying to cram your fingers in there, but it does go in, especially if you're doing some stop motion work where you need to have it off and on. So you can do it either way, but here is our espresso machine for a little pick-me-up in the morning or afternoon.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.